I'll do my best considering he kind of stole all my lines.
All right, my name is Monty Rasmussen. I go by Mario. I've worked at Kasco for about 4 to 5 months, and I was just put as a certified repairs technician.
Name is Corey Koppler. I have worked at Kasco for 6 years, and I'm the repair lead.
The reason why we find repairing Kasco units as important is so we can be able to catch certain failures that happen out in the field that we are not able to see appropriately. And when we do get the information, we're able to take it to quality, and hopefully they're able to improve and make our product even better. I'm able to walk you through the steps.
The warehouse receives the units first. They'll bring it over to us. We will then check them all in.
I take it over to the cleaning stations. I go through the process of cleaning them. Then I will be taking it over to the estimate side, and then I would have my coworkers go through the estimates accordingly.
Once that gets approved, it gets moved over to the repair department.
And I start the repairs accordingly. Once when I'm done with the repairs, I'm able to package it all up after having a good second check and a double check over, and then I'm able to send it out accordingly.
If the estimate ends up exceeding what was quoted, Kasco will honor the quoted price. It goes through all the testing that a new unit endures.
We go through pressure testing to make sure all the debris is clear from the seals, and then we also warm the unit for 3 minutes to make sure there are no leaks.
But we do an additional testing as far as megging upon completion, and we do an RPM test to make sure that the motors are running properly. When you're dealing with a unit that is not new, we want to ensure that when that product goes out, it's just as good as when it leaves Kasco.